Hello MUAhaha fans, how are you today? So today we're gonna do some super cool makeup transformation. I'm so excited! What? Okay, we have some game here. Should I get this one? Maybe that one. No, this one. Okay. Give me my heart. Oh my god, it's Nicole Scherzinger! Yay! Okay, let's watch one of her videos now. Alright. Can you believe we're gonna do Nicole Scherzinger's makeup? That's so cool. So in the meantime, while I'm doing the makeup, please write in the comments your favorite Nicole song. I'm gonna read all of your comments. Okay, and for now, let's begin. Let's see. Oh my god. The list is long, but I think we have time to do that. Let's begin. Okay, let's meditate a bit. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's start with my hair. We need to put it back for now. Oh, I miss my short hair. It was much better. Okay. Oh my god. I hate this baby hair. I think we all girls can relate that we all have this. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, let's rub it like that. Smells good. Okay, perfect. No more frizzy hair.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, let's now proceed with the face cleaning. So we're gonna need a brush. Yes. And we're gonna need a cleansing foam. So we're gonna... How does it work? Can you cut this moment after, okay? I think it's fine. Anyway, let's proceed. We're gonna have to put it on my face to clean it. So... Oh! Foamy! Nice. I'm like a cloud. Okay, now let's massage it like that. Oh, so relaxing. Oh, feeling really fresh right now. Okay, now let's proceed with the face cream. Let's use a spatula, I don't know, whatever you call it. Let's put it like that. And some here, and some here. Actually, this face cream is like a primer and moisturizer at the same time. It's like all in one. Okay, I think now I'm ready to actually start putting the makeup. Okay, we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Can you please pass me the eyebrow brush? Okay, we'll try until it works. Oh, yes! Let's go. Just smoothly brushing. Don't press too much, because after it can be too intense. Now we have to match them, so they look the same. Perfect. Okay, now we'll need some concealer. Yay! We'll just put it under the eyebrow from both sides. And above to give a better shape. How do I look? Now let's take a brush, no rush, be patient, and take your time. The rest we can cover the eyelid. I hope it's not too light, but okay, we're gonna put some more after. Trust the process, you know how they say. It takes time, but in the end, it's all worth it. I already feel like her. I hope you're still watching, yeah? I'm watching you.
I'm watching you.
You can also use a sponge to be a bit faster. Okay, it's ready. Next step is eyes. Let's try to make me more like a tigress. So for this look, we're gonna need a neutral shadow palette. What is this rainbow? You think Nicole would like that? I'm not gonna look like a clown. I need something. We're gonna use this palette, and we're gonna start with that shade, I guess. Just gently putting on your eyes. Just gently tapping around. We don't want the color to be too intense. So we're just doing natural look. I think that's enough. Let's just do the other eye. Alright, looks good and natural. Now we can go for eyeliner. That's the worst part. I hate it, literally. It's like one eye you can make nice and another one is like, ugh. So, okay, for that I need a lot of concentration, so please watch carefully. So for this you need to really concentrate, not to make any mistake. You almost gave me a heart attack, you. Oh my god. But my makeup is okay, yeah? Okay, I'm back. Let's finally finish with this eyes because it's been bothering me for a long time. Let's go. And don't disturb me again because I'm gonna draw it on you.
Okay.
Really, it's the most difficult part. It's always itching. Oh my god. I made it dirty. Why it's so itchy? Oh my god, it's really itchy. Because we need to fill up the inner corners. Now I want to sneeze. Oh, it's done. Oh, I finally did it. I think Nicole has something under eyes as well, a bit black, no?
Yes.
Yeah? Well, let's just add a little bit under. Again, so itchy. Okay, looks good. What we are missing now? Lashes. So, these are the lashes. They look cute. So, let's put glue. I just want to be done with the eyes. It's the hardest part. And now, we just put and hold. So, while I'm waiting, please write in the comments your favorite song of Nicole, as I said. If you didn't write it yet. Sometimes I like to use something like end of the brush and just to push it and try not to stick your eyes, because once I did it, it wasn't fun. Looks good. Actually, I would like to add some eyeliner in front. So finally we're done with the eyes. I think it's looking good. Now let's proceed with the foundation. So I'm gonna be using this one foundation. Let's use the brush. Okay, let's put some on the brush. And okay, looks nice. Feels weird, like painting the wall. Now let's not forget to do it under eyes as well. Oops, not too much. Okay. Want to try something new, so why not? Why not? Alright. Trust the process. I know now it might look a bit orangey, but we're gonna add something else. Alright, now we can proceed with the lighter concealer. And we're gonna place it under the eyes, just like that, under here, to make my nose smaller. Also, we're gonna put some on the forehead. Alright, the basic foundation is ready. Almost. Now we can proceed with the contouring. Yes. I wanted to do the cool one like this. Yes. So, as I said, let's proceed with the contouring. So we're gonna dip some, yeah. And we do some nice cheeks. A little bit on the forehead, I think. Just like there. Hush, hush. With the nose, we're gonna take a bit like this kind of brush. I'm gonna take the brown and we try to make it like this on the sides. Yeah, I think the visual effects are working, you know? Now I just would like to take a highlighter. Why not? Okay. Ooh, nice color. Let's put here, tip of the nose. So it's gonna shine a little bit on the side, on your cheekbone. I will use just this one a bit to blend after for the final touches. Ta-da! How do they look? Nice?
Yeah, cute.
Cute? Just cute? It's not enough. It needs to be like super nice.
Super nice.
Wow. Okay, it's time to proceed with the lips. So we're gonna use the lip liner. And just around the edges, we can make like a bigger lip effect, you know, just to do it a bit outside of your lip. That's it. That was easy. But now we have to fill it up. So please, assistant, I need a color. Thank you. Seriously, red? Where is the right color? Yeah, I needed this one. Yeah, I have to clean it now. Seriously, you're useless. Never mind. So this is the color we need to use. Just fill it up. You know, something is missing. So I took another gloss, which I think it will make it more pop out. Okay. I love it now. You see it's shiny, it's nude, it's like Nicole. Okay, let's move to the best part. Let's put the wig cap before actually placing the wig. Alright, it's like tights or something like that. Okay, let's try to put it on. Ugh. I look like an egg. Okay, now let's move on to the wig. Oh, okay. Let's prepare it. Okay, this needs some brushing as well after. We can sort. How does she wear it? She wears it on one side. So let's do it like that. Let's hide it. How do I look? Okay. Oh. Sisters, right? Alright, I think it's time for the concert now.